Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Honor 980. Firstly, open your app gallery, close ads, and find X icon application, X icon changer. This one first. Need downloading and installing. I'm already installed this, so click open. Wait a second for loading. And now need to choose your application. For example, maybe phone application, this one. Now need to choose your icon shape. Maybe this one, another phone, or maybe like settings. And for saving this icon, need click in the top right corner to OK button. Wait a second for loading your icon, close ads, and now click add. And now when you go into home screen, you got new icon of your phone application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.